Hello everyone, is your Rogers modem flashing orange? In this video, we will explain what it means and show you the steps to fix it. A flashing orange light on your Rogers modem indicates that it is attempting to connect to the internet or receive a signal from the Rogers network. The modem is completing downstream registration, which means it is trying to establish a connection with the network. If this continues for an extended period, it suggests there may be an issue. Fix 1, wait a few minutes. Sometimes the modem may stabilize after a short period. If the light continues to flash orange for more than 20 minutes, proceed to the next step. Fix to power cycle the modem. Unplug the modem from the power source, wait for about 30 seconds, and then plug it back in. This simple restart can often resolve connectivity issues. Fix 3. Check power and connections. Ensure the modem is plugged in and all cables are securely connected. Unplug the power source, unplug all the cables, wait for 2 minutes, replug again and power on the router. Now check the working condition. Fix 4. Check for server outages. Check Rogers service status page or contact customer support to see if there are any outages in your area. Go to Rogers status website and check for notification. I have provided the link in the description. You can directly go through it. Fix 5. Factory reset if necessary. If none of the above steps work, consider performing a factory reset on your modem. This will erase all settings and return it to its original state. To do this, you can see the WPS button above the port, or you will see a small tiny hole at the back of the modem. You need a small paper clip or a pen to press the button. Press and hold it down for about 10 seconds. Your modem will restart and the issue will be resolved. Fix 6. Contact Rogers support. If the flashing orange light persists after trying these steps, reach out to Rogers support at 1-888-764-3771 for further assistance. I have provided the link in the description. You can directly go through it. They can help diagnose any issue with your service or equipment.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.